Hi, I'm Wendy. Welcome to 90 Seconds to Thrive. How can we ensure career resilience in times of change? We know the disruption from automation, digitization, and all the various crises. The challenge is, how do we ensure our careers thrive? How do we navigate 45 years of our life? How do we find meaningful work that also pays the bills? Career resilience is even more important in times of disruption. Here are some suggestions. Number one, understand who you are. What are your values, your strengths, your interests? Because this helps you find the jobs that you like. Number two, manage your career reputation. What do people say about you behind your back? Because this determines the kind of opportunities you get. Number three, anticipate the trends, future jobs, and skills so you plan with the future in mind. Plan your options to grow. What is your plan A, plan B, plan C? By having multiple options, you can be more flexible to leverage on the opportunities that come about. Lastly, identify the skill that will grow you the most as a professional. By developing our skills, opportunities will come to us. This is your 90 Seconds to Thrive. If you like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment section below and I'll answer it in the next video. Till then, take good care. Thank you.